Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to AI with Mr. Z. I'm Mr. Z, your new best friend in the world of technology, AI tools, and content creation. Are you ready to dive into the exciting universe of artificial intelligence? Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got something awesome for you. From mind-blowing AI tools that make life easier to creative hacks for making money online, we're going to explore it all. And trust me, it's going to be a blast. But hey, I can't do this alone. I need you to join the journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tips, tricks, and tech treasures. And don't forget to like and share if you find our content helpful and fun. Your support keeps the tech magic alive. So buckle up and let's unlock the future together. Right here on AI with Mr. Z. See you in the next video.